Hey guys, welcome to camp. You're joining us at an absolute cracking campsite just near Lithgow in the beautiful, just west of the Blue Mountains. And we're going to run through the actual setup of a forward fold camper trailer. So a lot of people think, oh, how hard is it? How difficult is it? Well, we've just rocked up to camp. We've got the campfire going. We're about to crack a cold one because that's what you do when you get to camp. It shouldn't be stressful. So guys, coming over, I'm going to get Sean to give me a hand, and we'll show you how easy it is to actually set this camper trailer up. I reckon we'll have it done in under 5 minutes, easy. So come on over, grab yourself a drink and let's go do it. So guys, first step is obviously getting the boat rack up and open. So on the boat rack, you've got basically 3 clips on this side, and then you've got 2 pins on the other side. So come around to the other side and let's check out what Sean's doing. So we've got two pins here. So all we're going to do is pull the pins out of the support of the boat rack. That's all he's done. Take the pins out, pop them out of the way, and we'll go and throw it open. Being on big 2,000 Newton meter gas struts, you've got 4 of them on the arms that actually control this boat rack. This thing will actually just pop open. As you can see, we've even got a kayak on here, and we're going to lift that up, and watch this. Away it goes. Now, being that it's got a kayak on it, it's got a little bit of extra weight, we'll just let it sit down there. If you didn't have a kayak on there, what you could do is put the boat rack back up here so it's sitting vertical, and stick a solar panel or something, or a shower system or anything else you want off that. Use it as a clothesline. But normally, yeah, you can have the boat rack up and have it all supported. So boat rack's out of the way, we're done. Let's go open the top up. So in order to open the top, there's 2 ways that you can do it. We're going to do it the quickest and easiest way. The other way that you can do it is if you've got a bit of a shoulder injury, or you're not quite up to throwing the whole thing over, is you can actually use the winches that are front and back of this forward fold camper trailer. All you do is you grab the winch on the front, pull the hook all the way to the back, hook it on here, undo your latches, and you just start using the hand winch, pulling it over, and she's most of the way over. So let's do it the easy way. So Sean's going to undo 2 clips on that side. I'm going to undo 2 clips on this side. Now, what you'll see is happening is that the lid of this is already lifting up by itself. Because it's got a couple of massive big gas struts, it's going to do the heavy lifting for us. So all I'm going to do is undo this. As it's lifting, I'll walk with it and use the momentum to throw the whole thing over. Grab the winch on the front, winch that in, pull it down. You don't want it tight, you just want a good bit of pressure, because that's your bed and you want that locked up nice into position. So let's wander around the back where my drink is and grab a bit of a cold one. Next up, let's throw the back open. This is basically a rail that's on a couple of gas struts. All we're going to do is lift it up, and the whole thing folds open. Look at that. Does it get any easier? We can even throw that over, and you can see we've already got access to part of the camper trailer. I'm going to grab the keys. We put the keys in the fridge slide area, so I'll grab them out. We'll pop the door down. And we've almost got access to the inside of the camper trailer. So all that we're doing now is basically going to be adjusting the poles. So in order to actually get everything up and nice and tight, we're going to grab 2 number 14 poles and 4 number 7 poles. Your number 14 poles are these ones here. And what they're going to do is they've got basically a solid bottom and a C-clip up the top. They're going to go at the very front of the camper trailer and help just support the very front of it. And then we've got 4 number 7s. So your number 7s are your big spreader poles. So you've got 2 C-clips on either end, all aluminium, all lightweight, all quick release clamps. So yeah, extremely lightweight, easy to manhandle and everything like that. So I'll throw them in. As we start lifting it up, we'll put them into place. So guys, we're almost there. Jump inside, I'll show you what we're going to push up and push into place, and then we'll almost be done. Right guys, as you can see, most of the poles are inbuilt into this camper trailer. So all we need to do is stretch them out. Being all aluminium, it means that they're lightweight, and all you got to do is just use a bit of basic pressure to push it up. So we'll start with this side, undo the clip, push that pole. Let's do the other side now. Push that one, push that one. You can tell it's already actually lifting the whole part of the tent up. The reason we use a couple of small motions instead of one quick swift action is it's just a little bit easier. Now we're going to lift the roof. Just like that. And like that. And then we'll go and do the very back end of the trailer. Same thing, you've just got a couple of aluminium poles with quick release clips. We're just going to undo them and just lift the front up. So check this out. Look at that, we're pretty much done. All we're going to do is throw the spreader poles in place. That way it stretches it all out, and then you can open your windows up, set your awning up, put your kitchen together. As we're doing, we're just going to make things nice and taut, so give those a little extra push as you go. Front 14s are in, 2 number 7s are going in next. Next number 7 up there. And the bed area is done. Now we just got to sort the couch. All I need to do is throw in the last 2 spreader poles. So one up the top, and the other one on this side. So guys, tents erected, poles are in. Let's go and put the couch together so we've got somewhere comfortable to sit. Couches together. This infill piece is basically what makes up your second bed area. So let's throw that out of the way. We just chuck it under the bed. Ta-da. Spin the table around. We'll lift this one up. Slide that in position. You've got a bit of extra storage space under here, so look at this. This isn't luxury and living, I don't know what is. Throw the table into place. Now let's go and sort the kitchen out. All we're going to do is undo this bolt here, lock it open. Same with that one there, lock that one open, and we'll slide her out. Then we've got a couple of support legs underneath. We'll drop them down. Hello, hello. Push that down and give it a little bit of support. Helps if you've got a second person. Tighten up those little butterfly clips. And there we go, kitchen's got a bit of support. Let's open up the dish rack. Lock that into place. Let's get the cooker open, eh? You know what they say about cooking with gas? You need gas, so let's go hook this up. So basically you've got a bayonet fitting. All we're going to do, climb underneath here and connect it straight up to your hard plumbed bayonet connection. And we're in. Provided the gas bottles are on, you're ready to cook. Now obviously when you're carrying 160 litres of water, you're going to want to use some of that water. So all we're going to do is connect up the water line to the kitchen. So all we've got is what's called a nitto fitting. So what we do, undo the little plug, connect the nitto fitting into there, and the other end of your hose into here. Turn your pump on, and look at that. We've got running water straight from the belly tanks. So guys, it's as easy as that. I was going to say grab yourself a drink, but I've already grabbed one, so I'm going to go and grab mine out of the camper trailer, go and sit by the fire and enjoy this beautiful scenery. So It's as easy as that. Guys, not all forward folds are made the same. There's different designs, different mechanisms, and different systems on opening and closing and how the whole system works. So don't take this as a be-all and end-all. This is our camper trailer. This is what we've designed, and we're very bloody proud of it. So guys, enjoy it. If you've got any questions, make sure you hit us up. Shoot us an email at office@signaturecamp.com.au. or give us a call on 1300 935 400. Check out our website, www.signaturetrailers.com.au. We've got dealerships Sydney, South Australia, Western Australia, all over the place. So guys, we're happy to help you. So give us a call and we'll sort you out. Like, follow, subscribe, all the good stuff. And until next time, catch you around.